Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by halting the action now. Say pause and put both palms on your thighs to interrupt the reflex. This breaks the loop and shifts attention. Once done, perform a quick body scan, notice tight shoulders, jaw, or fists, and release each for 5 to 10 seconds so the nervous system calms. Make sure to move to a safe, soft surface or chair to reduce harm, because changing posture reduces momentum and the urge to hit again. Once you've stopped, replace the behavior with a neutral, competing action. Grip a soft stress ball for 30 to 60 seconds to discharge tension without harm. You do this because motor habits form through repetition. A cue, routine, reward loop is how you retrain it. Practice short drills 3 times daily so the new motor pattern strengthens. Make sure to pair the cue with a calm breath and a tiny reward, one positive thought, so the brain learns the alternative faster. Finish by building maintenance. Keep a brief daily log of triggers, timing, and stress level so patterns reveal themselves. You should also engage support. Tell a friend or clinician and arrange check-ins for accountability because external feedback speeds change. If a relapse occurs, stop immediately. Use the grounding pause, take 3 slow breaths, and switch to the competing action, squeeze and count for 2 minutes, to regain control. Make sure to review the log after any setback to adjust the plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.